Well, tubers, today is Monday, and yeah, they're calling for freaking Wednesday, Thursday, blizzard-like conditions with possibility of 12 inches of snow. And it ain't supposed to hit till Wednesday, but freaking, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is snowing right now like crazy. So, yeah, if it's snowing like this and it ain't even Wednesday yet, yeah, I want to be prepared, so we're going to come out here and, yeah, fire up the old, the old generator. Oh, hell yeah. Prop that there, prop the doors open. There we go. There. Oh, yeah. A few things around. Oh, yeah. There's that one. Jeez. How'd that happen? Freaking my son was in here. Yeah, I fucked up my thing. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah, I'll show y'all. This here is a deck. DK 6500 watt generator, and it's been a while since I've had it started. I bought this brand new, and yeah, as soon as I started, I guess it'll tell you what the hours are that are on it. Yeah. Anyway, let's see. We're gonna pull this thingamajigger out. Like that. Oh yeah, yeah. And then give this here thing a crank here and see what happens. Oh yeah. Set y'all right there. So get up the old carburetor cleaner. Yeah, she won't start. Huh. Nothing a little carburetor cleaner can't fix. Just get a squirt in there somewhere. Yeah. We'll crank her and see what happens. Oh yeah. Oops. Huh. Well, I would expect that if I turn that valve on, that should get fuel to free flow, but I'm not. So let's take a little air and squirt on there and see what happened. Maybe it got varnish in the tank or something. I don't know. Yeah. Here. Well, that don't seem to be working, folks. I guess we could always try to throw some fuel in it, see if that'll do it, but I don't know, it says that it should have enough fuel in the damn thing. Well, she's running, but she's not running right. Started, I'll let it run for an hour or so, put some power to it, make sure it's going to stay running. Keep running. We'll let it run for a good while, and yeah. Spring gas is like $4 a gallon here. Crazy. Yeah. Oh, we'll find something to plug into that to use up some power, and because they say you're supposed to use them from time to time. To keep the generator part working right, I don't know. Technical crap if you ask me. Yeah, we'll plug in the old drop light into her. And yeah.